How to fix YouTube error code 4. This video is unavailable. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this error prompting when playing YouTube video. Step 1 is disable all extensions. Launch the Chrome browser. Click on three dots. Go to extensions and select manage extensions. Turn off all the extensions from here. Click on the toggle switches to turn off. Step 2 is delete YouTube cookies and site data. Click on three dots on the browser. Select settings this time. Go to privacy and security. Click on third-party cookies. Then click on see all site data and permissions. In the search box, type YouTube. Delete YouTube from here. Click on this delete button. Delete. Close the browser and relaunch it again. Then see if the YouTube video is running perfectly. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.